Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to create an account on Bluesky. So if you also want to create an account on Bluesky, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Bluesky application. You can download this application from Play Store and App Store. Once you open Bluesky application, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. If you already have an account, simply tap on the sign in option that you can see right over here. After that, you'll be able to log into your account. But if you want to create an account for yourself, simply tap on the option create account that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll have to fill in these informations that you can see right over here. You can see the hosting provider over here. You can change it if you want. If you want to change it, simply tap on the edit icon that you can see right over here. You can see two options over here, Bluesky and custom. Simply tap on the option of your choice. Now tap on the done option that you can see right over here. Now simply enter your email. Tap on this box. Now enter your email address. Now what you have to do is choose your password. Set up a very strong password for yourself. Now enter your date of birth. After you select your date of birth, simply tap on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll have to input user handle for yourself. Simply enter the user handle of your choice. The user handle should only contain letters, numbers and hyphens. It should contain at least 3 characters. After you choose your user handle, simply tap on the next option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll have to complete the challenge. Simply tap on the box I am human. Now go through the verification process. After verification is done, you can set up your profile. You can give your profile a face. You can upload the photo if you want. If you do not want to upload the photo right now, simply tap on the continue option, or you can also create an avatar instead. You can choose your interest. Simply tap on the interest of your choice. Now tap on the continue option. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Read this information very carefully. Bluesky is public, open and flexible. Simply tap on the let's go option that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now you can see over here, your account will be created. So that is how you create an account on Bluesky. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.